Let's take a look at the bathroom before we began the remodel. This is how the space originally looked. The layout itself worked well, but the finishes were outdated and starting to show their age. Our goal was simple: keep the existing structure, but completely refresh the look and feel of the space. Before any work begins, the first phase of the project is all about protecting the home. We carefully cover the entire house with plastic and protect the floors with heavy-duty paper, safeguarding hallways, stairways, and all surrounding areas from dust and debris. Once everything is fully protected, we move on to demolition, removing old fixtures, tile, the vanity, and anything else that's no longer part of the new vision. After the bathroom is fully demoed, we immediately remove all debris and haul away the trash, keeping the space clean and ready for the next stage. In this phase, we completed all the framing work. We also finished the rough-in plumbing and electrical work. We made any necessary adjustments to ensure everything was properly installed and aligned. After that, we tested all systems to make sure everything was working correctly and there were no issues. This step is very important before moving forward. Once everything was confirmed to be in good condition, we prepared the area for the next stage, which is installing concrete, cement board, and waterproofing. In this phase, we begin by installing the shower liner. This is a critical step, so we make sure the liner is properly placed all around the shower and extends at least 6 inches up the walls to prevent any leaks. Next, we install the concrete base over the shower liner. Once the shower base is complete, we move on to installing cement board on the walls. Finally, we apply waterproofing using RedGuard to fully seal and protect the shower area from moisture. With these steps completed, the shower is properly prepared and ready for the next stage. In this phase, we're moving on to installing the tile on both the floors and the walls. This step is really where the space starts to come together and take shape. We carefully lay out each tile to ensure everything is level, aligned, and evenly spaced. Attention to detail is key here, especially when working around edges, corners, and fixtures. As the tiles go in, you can already see how much nicer and more polished the area begins to look. The combination of the wall and floor tile really elevates the overall design and gives the space a clean, finished appearance. Once all the tiles are set, we'll move on to grouting and final touches to complete the look. This is the final stage of our bathroom remodel in Washington, D.C. From start to finish, this project took nearly 2 weeks to complete, and the transformation speaks for itself. Swipe through to see the before and after. In this phase, we completed tile installation, vanity and toilet setup, all fixtures installed, glass shower door painting, finishing touches and fine details. Every detail came together to bring this space to life. Another project completed. Looking for a bathroom remodeling company that delivers top quality work and gets it right the first time? Serving the DMV area, we specialize in transforming bathrooms with precision, care, and attention to detail. Call us today at 703-980-3266 or visit www.dc-homeremodeling.com. Let's bring your vision to life done right the first time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next video.